guys, welcome back to Stuffy Crates. Today I wanted to do my own do-it-yourself door wreath. I was inspired by something I saw at the dollar store that was for Halloween, and then when I went to Michael's I saw this on sale. Got it home and then realized it's missing a lot of pieces, but that's okay. So what I want to do, there's an open spot like right here, so I actually might move this guy. Move this guy somewhere else. I'm just gonna move him off there for right now. And then I have these leaves that I got from Temu a while ago. There's 5 different colors, so we'll see if I'll use those. I really loved this ribbon. It was really pretty. So, and I thought it looked really good with this. So, the fun part, cutting a bow. Or making a bow, I should say. So, I'm just going to grab as much as I can. Alright. So, I want to put, and again, I have no idea how this is going to come out. I just wanted to make something for my door. Even though one of my lovely neighbors gave me something to put on my door. Okay, so you are getting on my nerves, so I'm going to take you off for a minute. Okay, let's just make sure that you guys can see what I'm doing here. Alright, so I think I'm going to tie a bow somehow. Somehow right here. Alright. You know how hard it is to get bows to look exactly the way we want. Okay, that's way too big. Let's shrink that side. Trying to get this side to. That bow's not too bad. Not too bad. So now I'm going to put my leaves back on. Put one here. Put this one here. Maybe. It's not really fitting on that one. So I want the bow to stand out above the leaves. God, that leaf is getting on my last nerve. Okay, maybe something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that off. Okay. And then I got this one. So that was really pretty. Kind of do some like dangling leaves, but I don't know how I'm gonna like this. Grab one of these. Okay. Let's just see how it looks. The thing I saw for Halloween had bells on it, but I really don't want to hear bells every time I open my door. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Think leave it the way it is with just this bow? Or sorry, I'm not trying to get the get stuff from under the table, like strings and stuff. Maybe I don't use that color. Maybe I use red. Because my whole idea of concept was fall. Leaves are falling. Maybe I throw in this one. Let's see how this one looks. Maybe I do throw one in. Alright, so let me warm up my hot glue gun and then we'll go from there. Alright, so while I was getting my hot glue gun, I thought it would be really nice to kind of wrap this up. Let me get this. Oh my gosh, seriously. Alright, wrap this up in the ribbon. Kind of hide. Let's see how this looks while the gun's heating up. Open. Yeah. Kind of like that. But I think I want to get the leaves hanging first. Wrap the ribbon around. I might have to take all this off. But I like the fullness of it right now, so let's just try without taking it off. Okay, so start back here. It's going to be easier to do it with it out on the spool, but I don't know how much I'll need, so just going to grab a ton and hope for the best. Alright, here we go. Oops, sorry guys. I know my fur babies are going to be like going crazy over. Okay, so we're actually going to have to go around. Oh my god, I keep hitting this. I am so sorry, guys. Okay. I probably got way too much, but whatever. Alright. To go. I think. Was that on here? See, that's the thing. Like, am I cutting some of these? Am I not cutting some of these? I'm cutting some of these, it seems. Okay. Move those real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take them all off to do it apparently. So me trying to put all this back on is gonna be fun. I feel a wet nose on my leg and it tickles. Okay. Now that it's naked, should be a little easier to do. This is not looking like I wanted it to. Okay, so let's go here. No. Watch the hot gun. Put it over here. Alright. Great. How to figure out how to put these back where I want them. arc there. Definitely doesn't look the way it did when I bought it, and that's why I bought it, because it looked that way. Oh well. Let's see if I can fix it up here. Okay. Let's see, let's put I think that's good. I really like that. And then I'm actually going to, even though they don't really match back to back, I'm going to still do that. Just in case they blow in the wind. Wow, I got so many leaves with that. Do the bed. What if I should just do the middle like that? It's perfect because this one I got paper all over. I don't know, I think it turned out really cute actually. I really like it. It's my first ever fall decor. And it turned out really cute. Alright. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my next one. Thanks guys, have a good one, bye.